Having tasted instant success and public adulation by getting the Lokpal bill passed, the Congress seems to be in the mood for more legislative victories before the elections next year for the Lok Sabha. Clearly, the top priority at present is to reverse its recent electoral failures. There is a feeling within the party that the biggest stigma attached to it is that of corruption. The Congress wants to urgently raise the impression, and the latest by Rahul Gandhi, that the UPA is looking at 7 more legislative accountability bills. That comes as no surprise.
Want to actually fight corruption. We need a framework to fight corruption. The Congress party has bills in the pipeline that need to be passed. We've had the big success here with the Lokpal bill. We had the RTI earlier, and I think that we should pass these bills that are sitting in Parliament.
The 7 bills on fast track include the right of citizens for time-bound delivery of goods and services and redressal of grievances bill, the whistleblower protection bill, the judicial accountability bill, the public procurement bill, the consumer protection amendment bill, the prevention of corruption amendment bill, and the Benami transactions bill. The mood in Congress is such that the UPA is not averse to recalling the winter session of Parliament.
We will see that, we will talk to other parties so that we don't leave this work, this effort half done. There are a basket of bills which add strength to the Lokpal bill.
Now there are several pending bills. There is an amendment to the Prevention of Corruption Act. There is the Whistleblowers Act. There is the Delivery of Services bill. And in dealing with public grievances, that bill is pending. And there are several other bills that are pending dealing with corruption. And Rahul Gandhi talked about this framework of laws which deal with corruption, which shows that it is the UPA government that has actually taken these issues very seriously.
Kartikeya, is there a chance that if not in this session, then by the end of the next session of Parliament, the UPA will manage to push through all of these anti-corruption bills?
I really don't think so, because the next session is vote on account, and in vote on account you really barely get a chance. Primarily the session is reserved for financial transactions so that the next government can have the opportunity to go for a full-fledged budget. This is like a mini budget so that the government stays in motion, salaries are paid in time. So a couple of bills can be passed. If you look at the current session, this session had 17 sittings, and they were only able to pass demand for grants for railways, that was the money bill, and Lokpal. So 16 sittings and you got 2 bills. So I really don't expect that vote on account can accommodate any other bill. There is a possibility, if the government tries hard, for the communal harmony bill, because it is on that issue they can try to build consensus. If they fail, then there is no bill.